Namaste. Hamesha Pushpa Bitia. I am JB Dr. Anamika Ahenwar, Associate Professor in the Department of Science and Technology at Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. Today, I will tell you about the designing concept. So this is an exercise of design on designing concept. You have to do coding on HTML for this designing purpose. So here, as usual, you start your body with HTML and head and style, and H1 is for the heading. Okay, so for designing, this designing is a thing which you can design like the thing which will attract the user, which the user is bound to be access the thing, or it is of course easy to use, understand, understandable, better understandable, you can say. So here the you just start with the heading. So in the heading, of course, you have also decide the margins, top margins, from where your heading starts. So this margin top, you set here 90 px. Okay, then if you wish to do something more creative on that heading, so then text shadow, you can mention that. So here the shadow is 2px and 2px, 2px blue. So this is for the blue type shadow. Then come to the text alignment. So heading should be, of course, we people's are very much fond of to see the heading in the center. So you can mention this text alignment as a center, and of course it is up to you whether you can use this heading in the left center or right center also. But it all depends on how it will be look like this. Okay, so here you also select the color also. Then UL means like list style type means none. Margin is 0, padding is 0. Then overflow is hidden. Background color is navy. You have to selecting the navy color, and position is fixed. Okay, so because if something is fixed, something is you need not to change, then you can fix that text position. So then next you have to here set the top is 0, width is 100%. Now you just close this loop, and li means list is float left, and the first is the a. In this display block is the white color, so you have to mention the color also. And text alignment is the center, and padding is 14px, 16px. Now text decoration is none. Okay, we just want to want simple text. Then what comes in the main thing, the background, you have to choose that background or jpg, or you can choose any image, but that image should be stored in your system, so that if the system retrieves that image, then it is important that that image is connected, or you can say compatible to that thing, or there is a possibility of the use of that image in your university or system. Okay, so width you have to select 1400 px, and the height is 900 px. Then li as over, background color light sky blue. So here you close the body with the style, head, body, name. And now unlisted means here you just like in the previous previously sessions, I have also discussed about this class active href home. This is the button you can use in your page or website. And news, contact, about, and this again this the close of ul, nav, and the main. But it is important to report all these things to the university or your working place. Now the next is the main. Main means welcome to our page, that is H1. And main, here main ends, body ends, HTML ends. Okay, so this is all about the designing. If you wish to create some design, then this is exercise on designing concept. So here I wind up the session, and session is powered by digital version 2.0 Jagati Vidyapeeth, Wisdom University Jaipur. Hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.